guys, I'm at my new Airbnb. As you can see, it's a lot different than my other ones. This guy has lots of collections and posters, so it's really unique and really interesting. I really like it. It's probably one of the best Airbnbs, but also the most expensive. Or there's a patio where you can wash clothes and dry them, hang dry them. And there's 2 bedrooms. There's an Xbox and like all these game consoles and games and movies. But it's finals week, and I'm only staying here for the entire finals week. So hopefully, I can find the chance to enjoy those things. We're in a type of I think it's called a fraction or I don't know. It's kind of like all the houses are the same, and they're all kind of far away from the city, and they have like golf course, I think, and stuff like that. I'm not sure, but I just wanted to update you guys about where we are. This is the 4th place that we're staying at, and each time I think that I'm getting tired of Mexico, I wake up the next morning and I'm like, wow, I'm so glad that I'm here. So I'm just living one step closer to the life that I dream of, where I'm able to go outside and pick fruit or like have my own hens and my own yard, and my ability to get water is easy. Also with easy access to other foods and locally grown fruits and vegetables. How am I feeling? I am almost done with this chapter in my book, and then I'm able to do some testing, so I'm feeling really great that I'm finishing this class. I also feel excited that I'm going to be applying for a few online jobs, and I'm just about to get my resumes right now to send out to a tutoring position. I feel like I am ready to go to a new place. I still have the whole month of May to be here, but I'm thinking about where I'm going to go next, and the first places that have came to mind are San Diego and Colombia. I'm not so sure I want to go to Colombia. I feel like I've had enough of huge changes, but I also feel like I'm not ready to go back home, and I don't want to waste money on going to the United States when I'm not sure that's where I want to be. I'm not ready for it yet. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see about how the decision goes for the next place that we're going to be going. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.